Hi, once again we are doing the strategy video for the Laxmikant Indian Polity. So in this continuation, welcome back again to my YouTube channel UPSC Manch. We will today we will discuss the Laxmikant, how to take notes for the prelims as well as the area which is focus for the men's point of view, because once prelims is a big hurdle. After that you have to attempt the mains question of polity. In this continuation you have to uh, basic idea during read study of M. Laxmikant, which area you need to focus for prelims point of view and which that topic is important relevant for the men's examination. So in this continuation, in this video we will discuss the uh, pointer from that, what should be do for the better understanding and better answer writing approach for the polity. So let's start. The first thing is organize the topic by syllabus. So you have to need that you organize the topic by syllabus. Once again, the syllabus gives you the idea about the topics which is relevant for the UPSC men's specific. So first go through the syllabus and go through the PYQ and then come, and for prelims you have to need a focus on the factual understanding, that is articles, some amendment that happen time to time, you need to focus on that. And for men's point view, you have to analyze the PYQ of men's examination about 10 year previous 10 years, and then develop a overall idea on the by seeing that PYQ, and that is governance and reforms, because time to time government and the amendment and reforms will happen in Indian constitution, so need to be focused on that. And next, chapter summaries, summarize chapter with the bullet points. And if you go through the chapter, first just read the chapter, and second times need to focus that you have go through the PYQ, so the keywords you need to focus on that. And the third reading you just highlight the most important topics, and then highlight the key concept like separation of power, federalism, basic structure. In Keshwan Bharati case, you are earlier that the Supreme Court held the basic structure the in their judgment. So separation of power between the central government and the state one. So this balance the total overall political system as well as the executive and the judiciary. Next, important articles and amendments. Prelims create a separate section for the article 14 and amendments. So basically the fundamental rights and some chapters are very important. The PYQ, and if you analyze for prelims, the UPSC asking most of the questions from the uh, fundamental rights, and they are try to confuse the aspirants during asking the questions. And for men's, analyze their significance, controversy and impact. That is how an amendment impact the society in terms of socio-economic. Okay, so like that you analyze the things, and what is significance, what is importance for the poor people, this amendment or article is work for the ground level people or also or not. So you think like that, and you have to develop the critical ideas like that. Next, use diagrams and tables. So if you are try to concise the whole piece in 1-2 lines, so you have to develop the uh, skill of flow chart concept like separation of powers we will earlier discuss. Tables to different between types of bills, maturities and bodies. So like money bill, ordinary bill, so which one relevant, and sometimes in majority talking about the special majority. So that type of term you have to basic idea, and you can just analyze the things by writing in the same page both sides. Next, judicial and parliamentary bodies. Prelims write short notes on their compositions, power and functions. So if you're going to judicial and parliament bodies, so you need to focus on the composition, how their how our members are there in the parliamentary bodies, and how their function are functioning, and power, the relevant articles, and in what condition they use the article also. And for mains, analyze the performance reforms and compare with the global institute. So whatever in reforms is comes in force, that it will be compared with the global level, what significance for the in terms of present time. Next, landmark cases. Some marks cases, landmark Supreme Court cases like Keshwanand Bharati with their relevance, how it's impact the society and how it's relevant to the UPSC. A very famous case of Keshwanand Bharati case. And then for men's, aid a critical opinion and impact analysis. So you have to critically examine the things and then make notes on that particular things, advantage, disadvantage, and the uh, what we forward for the particular events. So this type of opinion you have to form in your mind during answering those questions. Next, current affair integration. So it is also important during current affairs. Some people they are using current affairs daily reading, but some aspirants they are using monthly magazine. So you have to try to correlate the present relevance with the polity whatever you learn in Laxmikant. So supplement Laxmikant notes will the update on amendments, judgments, reforms, and then 8 current example for stronger men's answer writing. So whatever the question is asking, you have to give the particular things by answering those in the terms of men's answer writing. Now next, use PYQ for reference. Again it is important, use a PYQ for reference. Again I emphasize in the video so much time because the PYQ gives the idea about the question framing and framer's mindset. So if you go through the PYQ, it's keep the overall idea, the particular area there's a question setter mindset you will critically develop by go through the PYQs. And for the men's purpose, prepare short paragraphs for the analytical questions. And for men's, you have to also go through the PYQ and just analyze the questions area which is important, the articles, the some cases which is famous in the history also, so you can use. And then at the last, revision notes, consolidate key facts, diagrams and the short explanation, and the revision sheets. Regularly revisit these notes to ensure retention. So particular emphasizing is that you have to just revise, read less but revise multiple times. But whatever you read, it more important retain that topic or that study you do. So try to revise and try to retain that topic rather than jumping one book to another book and then another book to another book. So like that you just jumping, just keep focus on one source and try to inculcate and try to remember that and revise that. Now the issue best notes for the men's. Prepare notes on the board themes like constitutionalism, judiciary, parliamentary, democracy. Focus on the current challenges, reforms, and critique to prepare for analytical questions. So these are the men's preparation. So these are the things you need to keep in the mind during study the M. Laxmikant book Polity. So in this way you can inculcate the knowledge of M. Laxmikant for polity, mains and prelims also. So prelims you need to focus their factual, some clarity over that topic, and for the mains you have to clarity over that topic, the opinion best questions also they asking. So you have to need to create a opinion on that particular topic. So that's be this way you can develop the critical thinking also on that issue or event. So thank you so much for watching these videos, and please like and subscribe my channel. Once again, back to the UPSC Manch. Thank you so much.